Hi there, this is Tyler, and I'm going to be doing the tutorial video on the animations. So as you can see here, we already have our assembly of the Ferris wheel and all the sub-assemblies in there. Now for any animation, you want to go ahead and start off by coming down and hitting the Motion Study tab in the bottom left corner. And here we can see we have all of our part files and the assemblies. And you see that there's a bunch of little diamonds here, and what these are keyframes that hold the data for the position of each part separately. So you can see here there's also a camera view keyframe here, so you can actually change the camera angles and such through time as well. So what we're going to do is just a basic animation of the Ferris wheel spinning. So what we can do simply is come down here and we'll say we want it to spin for 8 seconds. Just go to the 8-second mark here, go ahead and click, and since we have the auto key automatically selected, what it's going to do is it's just going to automatically update our keyframes if we move the model. So let's just do that. You can see here that it's updated the keyframes, and if we go ahead and play from the start, you can see it's spinning on its own as we've just done. And then it gives you a little audio feedback when it's over. Now also, just to show you how we can do a camera edit, we'll go to 3 seconds and we're going to add a keyframe here so that between 0 and 3 seconds it'll stay put, and then after 3 seconds we'll go to the end and then we'll have it at the front view. So, and then we'll place another key. So now if we start from the front, we should see it start at the isometric view, and then at 3 seconds it'll start moving into the front view and then finish at the end. So let's see. And it's done just that. So it's pretty simple. So yeah, thank you.